Earthbondhon, Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Any question, write in the comment box. More update, please subscribe our channel. Notification to press the bell icon. Hi everybody, today I will share about battery 9 VDC, battery connector, 5-pin relay DC voltage, LDR light dependent resistor. The most obvious application for an LDR is to automatically turn on a light at a certain light level. An example of this could be a street light or a garden light. LDR is to automatically light on. LDR is to automatically light off. Thanks for watching the video. Don't not forget to like and share. Please subscribe our channel.